Howdy, my name's Max. This is No Code Nerd. Welcome to Formfacade. So Formfacade is very cool. This is a very specific tool, and I love very specific tools. It lets you embed Google Forms on your website. And you might be thinking, Max, oh my gosh, are you an idiot? You can already embed Google Forms on your website. Well, shush, because what it does is makes your form look like your website, right? So you can take a Google form, which is probably one of the most common form building tools, right? Very simple, very basic, and then it lets you basically futz with it, which is super cool. It lets you futz and mess with the Google form itself to replace Google branding with yours, right? So now your form looks like your website now, and you can do a whole bunch of different things that you couldn't do. It actually adds functionality, I think, on top of Google Forms, which is really cool. I know entire businesses that have been run off of this tool. Like their whole website is built on Google Forms and Formfacade. It's really, really clever. So I like it a lot. I think stuff like this is amazing, and I adore it. If you want to create, forms that fit with what your website does and how it looks, now you can. Now you don't have to rely on, custom tools within the website builder that you're using. You can just embed a form facade from a Google form, which is excellent. Such a clever workaround. I adore this. I love stuff like this. So cool. Go create awesome forms. I'll see you later. Peace out. See you in the next episode with another dope tool. Woo!